Right here, next bit 18 is 56 is as 20 is dash. Option A is 62, option B is 63, option C is 64, option D is 69. Next bit 4 is 27 is as 256 is dash. Option A is 420, option B 3125, option C 625, option D 3150. Next bit 39 is 27 is as 36 is dash. Option A 18, option B 19, option C 320, option D none 515. You can observe it 18 is 56 is as 20 is dash. Is it there any relation between 18 and 56? Sir, 18 3s are how much, sir? 54 plus 2, 56 into 3 plus 2. In the same way, 23s are 60 plus 2, how much, sir? 62 is the your answer. How much, sir? 62 is the right answer. Next question. 4 is 27 is as 256 is dash. So 4 and 27, 4 is near to 2 square, 27 is cube root of 3 cube. Right, sir, it is in the form of n to the power of n. 2 next number is 3. 256 can be written in the form of 4 to the power of 4. 4 next number is 5. 5 to the power of 5. Your answer goes to 3125. 3125 is in option B. Right, next bit is 39 is 27 is as 36 is dash. Is it there any relation between 39 and 27? 3 9s are 27. In the same way, 36 can be written in the form of 3 6 are 18. 18 belongs to option A. 18 belongs to option A. Write down the next bit now. Right, next bit now. 4 is related to 256 is as 5 is related to dash. 5 is related to dash. Option A is 225, option B 250, option C 320, option D 558. Next bit is 153 is 306 is as 225 is dash. Option A is 350, option B 368, option C 378, option D 448. Next bit 12 is 156 is as 14 is dash. Option A 220, option B 210, option C 250, option D 268. Option D 268. We can do a problem what's the relation between 4 is 256 is as 5 is dash? Is it there any relation between 4 and 256? Is it there any relation between 4 and 256? Sir, it is a power of 4. 4 can be written in the form of 4 and 256. 4 to the power of 4 means how much? 256. In the same way, 5 to the power of 4, how much, sir? Our answer goes to 625. Is it there in option 625? There is no in option 27. Sir, base and power should be equal. In the same way, base and power should be equal. Your answer goes to 3125. Is it there in option 3125? There is nothing in the option is 3125. Alright, sir, you can do it. 4 is 256. 2 4 64 256. In the same way, 5 64 320. 320 belongs to option C. Next bit, sir. 153 is 306. 153 2s are 306. 225 2s are 450. Is it there in option 450? There is no in the option is 450. Alright, sir, you check it, sir. 153 is 306. It is increasing by 153. In the same way, you can increase 153. Your answer goes to 378. 378 in option C. Right, next bit, sir. 12 is 156 is as 14 is dash. 12 is 156 is as 14 is dash. Is it there any relation between 12 and 156? It can be written as 12 square plus 12. 12 square means 144 plus 12. Your answer goes to 156. In the same way, 14 square plus 14. 14 square is 196 plus 14. Your answer goes to 210. 210 belongs to option B. 210 belongs to option B. 210 belongs to option B. Write on the next bit, sir. Right, next bit, sir. 8 is 9 is as 32 is dash. Option A is 25. Option B is 50. Option C is 75. Option D is 70. Option D is 70. Next bit, mom. 11 is related to 143. 11 is related to 143 is as 19 is related to dash. Option A is 443. Option B is 450. Option C is 420. Option D is 437. Next bit, sir. 8 is related to 36 is as 24 is related to dash. Option A is 110. Option B is 210. Option C is 300. Option D 310. Option D 310. Option D 310. Right, sir. You can observe it's 8 and 9 both are consecutive number 32 and 33. Here increasing by 1, here increasing by 1, 33. Is it there in option 33? There is nothing in the option 33. Right, sir. 8 and 9, 8 can be written in the form of 2 cube. 9 can be written in the form of 3 square. Sir, it is in the form of n to the power of n is n to the power of n. First base is converted into second power. First power is converted into second base. In the same way, 32 can be written in the form of 2 to the power of 5. It can be reversed to 5 square. 5 square means your answer goes to 25. 5 square means your answer goes to 25. Sir, is it any relation between 11 and 143? Is it there any relation between 11 and 43, sir? 11 square means how much, sir? 11, then after 12 square. 12 square means 144 plus minus 1, 143. 19, next number is 20. 20 square minus 1, 400 minus 1, 399. Is it there in option 399? 399 is there in option. 399 is there in option. Nothing, sir. There is no in option in 399. Then what we do? Nothing, sir. You can observe it, sir. 11 143 means it is multiplied with 13. 11 13s are 143. 19 13s are in the same way. 19 into 13. How much more? 220. 20 is 247. Is it there in 247 in option, sir? There is nothing in option, sir. But what we do? Nothing, sir. 11 is a prime number. 11 next to prime number is 13. 13th multiplication. Next 19 is a prime number. 19 next to prime number is 23. 19 23 is a how much, sir? And your answer goes to 437. 437 belongs to option D. Next bit, sir. Most important bit, sir. 8 is 36. Is as 24 is dash. Is it there any relation between 8 and 36, sir? Is it there any relation between 8 and 36? You can observe it, sir. Is it there any relation between 8 and 36, sir? 36 is a square root of 6 square. 8 before even number is 6. 24 before number is 22. 22 square is a 484. Is it there in option? There is no in option. Then what we do, sir? You can simply do it a problem easy. You can once you check it the answer logic, sir. You identify the logic. It is in the form of n squared by 2 plus n by 2. N square means 8 square by 2 plus 8 by 2. 8 square means 64 by 2 means 32 plus 4. Your answer goes to 36. In the same way, 24 square by 2 plus 24 by 2. 24 by 2 means 12. 24 by 2. 24 square means 576 by 2. How much, sir? 288. Your overall count is 300. 300 belongs to option C. 300 belongs to option C. 300 belongs to option C. Right, clear? Right, sir. Next bit, sir. Next we try remember 86 is related to 172 is as 95 is dash. Option A is 380. Option B nana 390. Option C is 240. Option D is 260. Option D 260. Next bit is 24 is 192 is as 32 is dash. Option is 170. Option B 178. Option C 192. Option D 196. Next bit is 49 is 170 is as 169 is a dash. Option A sir 458. Option B nana 569. Option C sir 670. Option D 650. Option D how much sir? 650. You can observe it sir. 86 is 172. Is it there any relation between 86 and 172? That's why it is there relation between 86 to 172. In the same way 95 to our answer goes to 190. Is it there in relation 190 means nothing sir, there is no in 190. Then what we do? Identify sir. Sir, here multiplied with 2. Why? Because it is multiplied by 2 means 86 can split as 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 means how much sir? 2. That's why multiplied with 2. 95. 95 9 minus 5 means 4. That's why multiplied with 4. 95 4s are how much sir? The value is 380. Right here. Next sir. 24 is 192. 24 is 982 means it is multiplied with 8. 28 is 160. 4 8s are 32. 160 plus 32 192. In the same way into 8. 32 8s are how much sir? 38s are 240. 2 8s are 16. 240 plus 16 256. Is it there in option mark? Nothing there is an option. Why? Because it is multiplied with the 2. Because of you can split as a 24. 2 into 4 means how much sir? 8. That's why multiplied with 8. 3 2s are how much sir? 6. That's why 32. 6 are how much sir? Our answer goes to 192. Our answer goes to 192. Next bit sir. Next bit you can observe 49 is 170. Is as 169 is a dash. Is it there any relation between 49 and 170? So here gap is 121. In the same way 121 here is increasing. Our answer is 290. Is it there in option 290? There is no in option 290. Then what we do sir? Once you can check it sir. 49 is a square of 7 square. 121 is a square of 11 square. 7 is a prime number. Next prime number is 11. In the same way 169 is square of 13. 13 తర్వాత next prime number ఎవరు సార్ అంటే 17. 17 square means 289. 169 plus 289 your answer goes to 458. Means here logic what next to prime number square added. Square added. Next to prime number square is added. Okay. Right. Next problem, sir. Right. Don't mind next problem, sir. 8 is 351 is as 13 is a dash. Option A sir 1741. Option B sir 1828. Option C sir 1328. Option D ma 1728. Next sir. 135 is 150 is as 259 is a dash. Option A sir 350. Option B sir 349. Option C 215. Option D 249. Next bit sir. 1235 is related to 6556 is as 4356 is a dash. Option A is 10,760. Option B sir 10,890. Option C sir 17,670. Option D none of these. Option D is none of these. You can identify sir 8 is belongs to 351 because of here increasing by 343. How much increasing sir? 343 is increase. In the same way 343 here also increase. Our answer goes to 356. Is it there in option 356 ma? Nothing sir. There is no 356. Right sir. What about sir? 8 is 8. 8 before number is 7. What about 7 cube? 343. 13 before number is 12. What about 12 cube? 12 cube means 1728. 13 plus 1728. Your answer goes to 1741 is your answer. What's your answer ma? 1741 is the right answer. Next week sir. 135 is 150 is as 259 is dash. Is it there?
అడ్డుపోతున్నా మొత్తం అడ్డుపోతున్నా కనబడతలేదు మీరు కెమెరాలో అట్లా వెళ్ళిపోతున్నా మొత్తం కెమెరాలో కనబడతలేదు మీరు రైట్ కానీ క్యారియన్
135 is 150 is as 259 is dash. 135 is how much it is increasing by 15. In the same way increasing by 15 your answer goes to 274. Is it there in option 274? There is no in 274. Alright sir, that's why because we can increasing by 315 sir. Because 135 number is splitted as 1 into 3 into 5. 1 3s are 3, 3 5s are 15. In the same way 259, 2 into 5 into 9. 2 5s are 10, 10 9s are 90. You can increasing by 90. 259 plus 90, your answer goes to 349. Your answer goes to 349. What about next one sir? 12,035 is related to 6,556 means here increasing by 5,321. In the same way 5,321 here increasing, your answer goes to 7769. 9677 is there in option means there is no in option. Then what we do sir? Nothing do sir. We can observe it sir. 1235 is reverse it 5321. In the same way 4356 is reverse. Your answer goes to 6534. You can add it, your answer goes to 10,890. 10,890. 10,890 is your answer. Right clear? Right, now next page sir. Right clear? Right, note down the next problem fixer. 1648 is related to 1339 is as 2266 is dash. Option A is 1234. Option B 2133. Option C is 1442. Option D is 1551. 1551. Next bit is 24 is related to 126 is as 48 is related to dash. Option A is 433. Option B is 192. Option C 240. Option D 344. Option D 344. Right, note down. Next bit sir. 47 is 65 is as 59 is dash. 59 is dash. Option A sir 95. Option B sir 110. Option C sir 106. Option D ma 118. Option D how much sir 118. Right sir. Some of the analogy questions are by doing of a problems. It is not in option. Then we can do an optional wise ma. Alright, how can you written as 1648? 1648 is split into two numbers. 16 threes are how much sir? It is 48. In the same way 13 threes are how much ma? It is a 39. Next 22 threes are how much sir? 23 threes are 66. In the same way by using of given options 14 threes are how much sir? 42. By eliminating option C is the correct option. 16 ones are 16 threes are. 13 ones are 13 threes are. 21 threes are 66. 14 threes are 42. 42 belongs to option C. Alright down sir. What about next one? You can observe it's 24 into 126. Is it there in option? 24 can be written in the form of 5 square minus 1. 126 is can be written as 5 cube plus 1. Right sir. 48 can be written in the form of 7 square minus 1. Right sir, square minus 1 and cube plus 1. Square minus 1 and cube plus 1. 7 cube means 343 plus 1. Your answer goes to 344. How much sir? Your answer goes to 344 is the right answer. Right, next bit sir. You can observe the next bit now. 47 is 65 is as 59 is a dash. Is it there any relation between 47 and 65 means ma? 47 and 65 you are increasing by 18. In the same way we can increasing by 18, your answer goes to 77. Is it there any relation there in option? 77 means nothing, there is no in 77. Then what we do? Nothing sir. 47 number is split into like this way. 4 square plus 7 square. 4 square means 16. 7 square means 49. Overall count is 65. In the same way 59. 5 square plus 9 square. 5 square means 25. 9 square means 81. Your answer goes to 106. 106 belongs to option C. 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 Write down next bit sir. Write down sir, next bit sir. 24 is 60 is as 120 is dash. Option A sir 160. Option B nana 220. Option C 300. Option D 108. Next bit sir. 123 is 36 is as 221 is dash. Option A sir 52. Option B nana 69. Option B 72. Option D 25. Next bit sir. You can write down the next bit mark. 64 is dash is as 72 is 53. Option A is 44, option B 54.